The Grand Strand is home to beautiful beaches, immaculate golf courses, exciting nightlife, and fun activities for all ages. Unfortunately, not every day is a day at the beach, but legal help is always within your reach. You need an experienced attorney working to secure the best possible outcome for you. When legal issues threaten to cloud your day at the beach, contact the law firm of McCutchen, Mumford, Vaught, O'Day, and Geddie today, and let us assist you with your claim.
We are your lawyers at the beach.
That's what we're talking about. Your lawyers at the beach, they can help you with any need.
That's right, McCutchen, Mumford, Vaught, O'Day, and Geddie. And today we have Pat O'Day with us. And we're talking a little bit about HOAs.
Yes.
Now, can HOA boards adopt and enforce rules that, for example, infringe upon people's rights to freedom?
Freedom of speech and stuff like that.
Yeah, well, actually, the covenants for a particular community and the rules they adopt are enforceable by the board. And an owner, by purchasing within the community, technically has agreed to abide by those covenants. Now, when it comes to freedom of speech, it usually arises, the only case in the country that I'm aware of dealt with political signs. Ability to, in other words, a covenant saying that the board has the right to, or has the right to approve signs, and there's purposes for aesthetics and whatnot, and yet some owners in New Jersey brought a lawsuit to say you can't infringe upon our right to have political signs up, and I believe they prevailed in that case. But generally, the covenants are enforceable, and homeowners really in our state don't have many rights.
So they can't put up religious signs or anything like that?
Well, your covenants will speak to this, and then what I try to say to boards is, let's just be reasonable. You know, Christmas time and a particular Jewish holiday. I remember a board came after somebody because they put up a sukkah. There's something called a sukkah. And anyway, you just be reasonable. Just be reasonable.
All right, now what happens when a particular rule or bylaw adopted by an HO board comes into direct conflict with certain guaranteed constitutional rights?
Well, in our state, you have to sue. You would bring it to the attention of the board, and hopefully they would then reflect on it, and that's what you hope. Everyone acts in a reasonable manner. And yet, if say the board doesn't, the owner doesn't have too many options, except in our state, to sue. In other words, certain states might have an ombudsman, might have some administrative law judge where you perhaps could go with these types of relatively, types of questions and get a resolution.
So if you live in a homeowners association, you need to check the rules and find out what they are. Then check with a lawyer if you need to.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the lawyers to check with?
These
legal
guys,
advice right there.
At the beach. You can send us questions to legaladvice@wpde.com and check them out at yourlawyersatthebeach.com. And a quick congratulations, you have a new grandbaby.
Yes, Noah Glover Allen. He's just 1 day old, 24 hours old.
Wow.
Very nice.
Congratulations.
Yes, thank you very much.
All right. We got a lot more coming up. Stay with us.